Hey guys, I'm Morville, and welcome back to another unboxing. Now, this is a really exciting one, at least for me personally, because I've been waiting to get this for a while. So, I may have to cut this part open. Or I could just tear it open. I can feel it opening. And as you can see, let me take out the bubble with our wrapping. As you can see, I ripped the tear. Make sure not to cut myself on the box. Here we have the Enlightenment Collection Dinotroids Green. Now, I really was excited to get this because for me, this completes Wave 10, which, if you don't know, includes this Phantom Ranger, Zeo Yellow, and In Space Pink. So I'm really excited to complete at least this wave. And I'm 4/6 of the way, I believe, to completing Dinotroids. So, yeah. If you like this unboxing, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And I see you in the next one.